Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the world detail setting in Hytale. To change the world detail setting, first we of course open the settings menu. Here make sure you're in the video tab. Scroll down to the advanced rendering. At the top is the world detail. You can set it to low, lowest, low, medium, high and maximum. As you can see, changing it will change your preset from the one that was chosen for you or the one you've chosen before to custom, of course. I will stick with the high world detail. After making your change, simply hit Save Changes and that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.